Hello YouTube, Lisa here back with another video. I am riding to Err0r Wolf's house today, so let's get on to riding. I got my skateboard here, Steve. I named my skateboard Steve. You can't see my face. This is my vlog for the day. Hop on my board. It's very loud. I'm going to be riding to Err0r Wolf's house. I'm going to cut out the video. Oh, lighting's better. I am going to cut out the video. Probably once I'm done talking. But that's my vlog for today. So I'm now trying to vlog every single day. Every single day I watch Jacksepticeye. If my friend Err0r Wolf posts, I watch him. I just think he's probably, as I said before, my second favorite YouTuber. I'm going to, since yesterday I didn't have a game video, I'm going to have a gaming video, post the one I recorded last night after my gaming video for today, and to recover from yesterday not having a gaming video, I'm going to probably have a live stream, my first ever live stream, at my friend Err0r Wolf's house. Probably gonna start a live stream. We're probably gonna play some games like COD and something like that. But yes, I'm gonna have a live stream. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be our first ever live stream. First, I'm gonna have to connect my YouTube account to his PS4 though. Right now I'm just walking. But just standing behind the camera just excites me. Just knowing that people could be watching the video, laughing. It just makes me so happy. Just fix my glasses. That just excites me. But all I know for now is that Err0r Wolf is the only person that watches me. I do have a couple of other friends that I know are subscribed to me. I sub to them. But shout out to this video just touched me. It just touched me when Err0r Wolf did this. This character was, my Escapist series. My character's name is Max, and he, his looks, right? There was this character named Max, and he had the exact same looks on his series. But then he literally just, in honor of me for some reason, he just changed it to Leap Slit. And literally his name used to be Max, and it was my exact same character look. Now, when I did make Zeke, I honored it as Err0r Wolf, because I know whenever we're role playing, he uses that name a lot. Yes, I role play. I'm a total nerd, geek, whatever you want to call me, idiot. But he actually did that for me, which touched me so bad. The link to the video is going to be in the description down below. When you watch the video, or if you watch the video, I recommend you watch the video and go subscribe to Err0r Wolf if you're not already. But if you watch the video, just watch the video. It just touched me. I loved watching the video. He is one of my best friends of all time. He is my best friend of all time. I have only two best friends. One of them can be douche at some points, but he's always honored me as a friend, just like I honor him as a friend. So I have to fix my glasses. Staring at the tree. I don't even know what you're staring at for a minute, because I had to fix my glasses because I need them tightened. Tightened. Well, I'm gonna end the video off here, so I can skate the rest of the way to his house and edit and post the video there. So, hope you have a fan-flippin-tastic day. Bye!